When your Frigidaire portable air conditioner starts freezing up, ice forms on the internal components, drastically reducing cooling efficiency and potentially damaging your unit. The freezing occurs on the evaporator coils, which are the metal components responsible for cooling the air. When these coils become too cold due to various issues, moisture in the air freezes on their surface. There are four primary causes that lead to AC freezing. Understanding these will help you identify what's happening with your unit. The most common cause is restricted airflow. When air filters become dirty or vents get blocked, air cannot flow properly over the evaporator coils. This causes the coils to become too cold and freeze. Low refrigerant levels due to leaks can also cause freezing. When there isn't enough refrigerant in the system, the remaining refrigerant gets too cold, causing ice to form on the coils. Incorrect thermostat settings or a faulty thermostat can cause continuous operation of the compressor. When the system runs non-stop without proper cycling, it can overcool and freeze the coils. Environmental conditions also play a role. When outdoor temperatures drop below 60 degrees Fahrenheit, portable air conditioners can struggle to operate properly and may freeze up. Understanding these four main causes, restricted airflow, refrigerant problems, thermostat issues, and environmental factors, is the first step in diagnosing why your Frigidaire portable AC is freezing up. The first troubleshooting step is to reset your Frigidaire portable air conditioner. This can resolve many common issues and restore normal operation. Next, verify that your unit is properly plugged in and that the electrical outlet is functioning correctly. Test the outlet with another device to ensure it's providing power. Dirty air filters are a major cause of airflow restriction, leading to freezing. Remove and clean or replace your air filter regularly to maintain proper airflow through the unit. Blocked vents and insufficient clearance around your unit can severely restrict airflow. Check all vents for obstructions and ensure adequate space around the unit for proper air circulation. If you see ice buildup on the coils, switch your unit to fan-only mode to safely defrost the system. This allows the ice to melt without causing damage to the compressor. Regular coil cleaning is essential for optimal performance. Clean both the evaporator and condenser coils to remove dust and debris that can impede heat transfer and cause freezing. Inspect the exhaust hose for proper installation and any obstructions. A kinked or blocked exhaust hose can cause the unit to overheat and freeze up. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the freezing issue, you may have a refrigerant leak or sealed system problem that requires professional repair. Don't attempt to fix refrigerant issues yourself. Consider installing a smart thermostat to better manage temperature settings and prevent future freezing. Smart thermostats can help you maintain optimal temperatures and monitor your unit's performance.